We have some new renderings and photos of the DJI Avata, as well as prices and potential release date. Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? It's Anthony with Ants Drone, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the DJI Avata, which is DJI's latest FPV drone in the works, and it's right around the corner. With this new release of these renderings, photos, and prices, we are getting a bigger picture of what this is going to look like on release day and what you should expect moving forward. So in this first picture on the screen, we see a frontal view of the DJI Avata, which shows the single axis camera, airframe, DJI battery, and propellers with built-in prop guards. This view shows us the drone's minimalistic design. The open airframe design is an effort to save weight, which helps to get to the 18-minute flight time. So in this photo, we get a view of basically the bottom of the drone, which shows us 4 feet, which will help the aircraft when it rests on the ground when it's not flying. We can also see the precision landing sensors on the bottom as well. In this next view, we have a top-down view of the drone showing from above with the battery and propellers installed. This is another top view without the battery and the propellers installed. As we move down here in the article, we have this photo which shows the drone from the back. We can clearly see the on-off button and the 4 LED lights that show the battery charge levels. As we go down further here, we have the Avata with 1 battery, charging cable, charger, Allen key, prop screws, 2 spare props, and a lens/camera cover. And in this view, we have the same as above, just like a top-down view without the props installed on the drone. This photo likely shows everything that is in the box when buying just the Avata drone. Further down here, we have this interesting picture which definitely gives us some insight. The DJI Avata Pro View combo with DJI Goggles 2 should retail for $1,388. All the details seem to be shown in this photo. Next, we got the Avata Pro View combo with DJI Goggles 2, should retail for $1,388 as well. All the details seem to be shown in this photo. Then we've got the DJI Avata Fly Smart combo with DJI FPV Goggles version 2, which should retail for $1,168. All the details seem to be shown in this photo. And then in this picture, we've got another view of what's above, just a little bit of a different angle there. Also, we do see the DJI motion controller. And then this is just a photo of the drone, the goggles, and the controller, and it looks like the battery with some blurred out paperwork. So that's interesting to see. So we don't see a release date in here, but I'm gonna guess that we're gonna see it in the next couple days, possibly this week coming up, because of the fact that we're seeing these renderings, we're seeing the pricing. We've already had a lot of leaks around this drone. So I really do think that it's coming this month and it's right around the corner. If it's not this month in August, you should expect probably the beginning of September, maybe even September 1st. So if you're looking to buy this drone, definitely have your money ready because it's right around the corner. But anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this new drone. Are you excited for it? It's definitely a big redesign from what this one was, and it looks a lot more durable, which I'm very excited about myself. If you liked the video, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.